Okay, so Bas and I are going to show you now how to model. Okay, you ready? This book is called Sharing a Shell. We use our quiet sound for this one, okay? Look, it's a crab. A crab with no
Shell.
A crab with no shell. Look at my mouth. Shell, that's a quiet sound, yes. So this crab has no shell. So, oh no, it says you can't come in. You can't share a shell with me. So Bas has difficulty with the quiet sound. So when he says cell, I recast it to shell, which is a type of modelling. Or me. Oh, poor little crab. Oh no, it's a gull with a wide open beak. Run for your life, crab, hide. At last, in a pool, an empty
shell.
An empty shell, yes. Quick, crab, scuttle inside. So one crab safe in his shell, yes, under the summer sun. Oh my goodness. There's a blob. A bright purple blob. What can this blob thing be? Go away, blob. Whoever you are, you can't.
My cell.
Oh, fantastic, doing your quiet sound. That's awesome. You said share your shell. Okay. Do you know who else has a shell? The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Who has a shell? The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They have shells. And what do the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles do?
Fight crime.
They fight crime, that's right. And the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are my favourite ninjas.
I think the Ninjago guys are my favourite.
The Ninjago guys are your favourite. I wonder if they are friends with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
They aren't.
They're not friends with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
They live in different cartoons.
And who are the ones with the shells again?
Crabs.
Yes, and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's right. So Bas has a little bit of difficulty saying Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I try and repeat it on average about 12 to 18 times a minute to try and model that. So when the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles attack, they probably need to have some friends to help them. So the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles call the Ninjago guys.
They call themselves.
They call themselves. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles call themselves. Yes. And then I wonder, do you know what the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles' favourite food is?
Turtles.
No, they don't eat themselves. They love pizza.
No, they love the shells.
So the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles eat themselves?
No, shells.
Oh, they're shells. They like
so that they be naked.
They'll be naked. That's so silly. Silly Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They need to have their shells. They can't be naked. They're Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
They are naked.
Not naked Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
They are naked Ninja Turtles. What a movie!
So, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles have a movie. Yeah. But they need to have their shells on for the movie, don't they? The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles need to have shells on.
And then they take it off and eat it.
Or maybe they'll think that they're slugs if they don't have their shells on.
And then they'll eat the shells.
They'll eat their shells.
No, the shells.
themselves.
Mhm.
Oh, they eat themselves. That's silly. Because I know that the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles like pizza the best.
No, they like humans the best.
No, that is just silly. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles don't eat
Oh,
humans.
they eat frogs.
They eat frogs.
Yeah. Like
Why would you say they eat frogs?
Because they look like frogs and they like themselves, but they like frogs more because they're more tasty.
They like frogs more because they're the same color as the
and
Teenage
they-
Mutant Ninja
And their
Turtles.
taste and looks like their food.
But frogs don't have shells.
But then they burst into their mouth and they go, yummy!
That's so silly.
and then
The
they eat
Teenage
the
Mutant Ninja Turtles can't eat frogs. Unless it's maybe frog pizza.
Oh no, maybe it would be a bag.
A bag? The
Bag.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles will eat bags.
Yeah.